What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Huawei Mate 40 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy S20. So we have the new Kirin 9000 CPU versus the Snapdragon 865, 8GB of RAM versus 12, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 finished first, however the Huawei Mate 40 Pro scored overall a little higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Galaxy S20 scored higher for the CPU, the Mate 40 Pro scored higher for the GPU and the memory, and then the Galaxy S20 scored higher on the UX. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.